to give a visual presentation. Why do people need to present with visual aids? Neuroscientists reveal that the number of neurons devoted to visual processing in the brain take up about 30% of the cortex compared to 8% for touch and 3% for hearing. Roughly about half of the brain is involved directly or indirectly with visual processing. That means people receive information more readily through their sight than their hearing. Maybe you'll say, "Great, I'll prepare slides to summarize my points in the presentation." Wrong. Most speakers dump an average of 40 words or more on each slide. The audience either give up reading or they pay attention to the words instead of the speaker. A visual presentation is never about slides filled with words. What is a visual presentation then? It is a graphical presentation instead, because the more words the audience sees, the more confused they are. So how to make visual presentations simple for the audience to grasp? By asking simple questions like why, who, what, where, when, how much. The first question, why, states the purpose of the presentation. Who and what together set the scene. Where and when describe the scenario. How and how much define the scope. We usually start with why in a presentation. An informative presentation helps the audience learn more about the topic, like the cause, effect, result, and impact of an event. Or it can be the steps of a process, or maybe the updates of a project. All these are about movement from one state to another. We can use pictures that show a starting point and a destination, with arrows showing direction to show why. We can also use a graph to show the relative positioning of various groups. Who is about the people related to the project. We can show pictures of people of different sex, age, culture, jobs, or roles. What is about the things that happened or people do. For simple physical activities, we can use pictures to show the gist of the action. For more abstract ideas, we can use labels with simple words written on them instead. Where is about location. We can use icons to show different places like the factory, a beach, or the national flag of a country. When is about the dates or order of events. We can use graphics of calendar dates or a timeline. How describes a process. We can show it using a flow chart. How much shows the amount of something. Use icons to represent the amount to make it simple and interesting to see. If the answers to the questions why, who, what, where, when, how, and how much are clear enough to the audience, they can usually get a better understanding of the topic. Learn from visual presentation gurus like Nancy Duarte, Gar Reynolds, and Dan Rome to give impressive visual presentations.